Hey guys, my name is Kaylee Williams, and today I'm going to be talking about marketing. Most of you watching are either major changers, students here at WP Carey who might already have a major in business, or some other college student around the country looking to change their major. If you don't know what marketing is or how it relates to business, I'm here to tell you everything you need to know. Let's start off by the definition of marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is defined as the process by which companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationships in order to capture value or revenue from customers in return. So there's 3 different types and categories in marketing strategy. There's segmentation, targeting, and positioning. We'll start off by talking about segmentation. Well, what is segmentation, you might think? Well, it is defined as aggregating prospective buyers into groups that have common needs and will respond similarly to a marketing action. The marketers choose whether to segment the market if they want to figure out the needs and the wants of the target markets. This is when you would carry out a segmentation. There are 4 different types of categories within the segmentation variables. There's demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral. A couple examples might be age, gender, place of residence, and income. These are all types of segmentation examples. And then let's go on to targeting. Well, what is targeting, you might think? Well, targeting is defined as dividing the total market into different segments based on customer characteristics, selecting one or more segments, and developing products to meet the needs of those specific segments. Once you have identified the various segments within the overall market, you'll need to look at both competitors and the internal capabilities to decide which groups you'll target. After that, you'll want to look at the potential revenue of each segment, which largely depends on the size of the segment. Some examples might be hotel industry, clothing, furniture, or etc. And then lastly but not least, positioning. Positioning is defined as where a product is placed in the markets relative to its competitors. Positioning can be achieved by changing elements of the marketing mix to meet the needs of the target market. And a couple examples of these might be Coca-Cola brings happiness or Axe brings sexual appeal. These are all examples. Marketing tactics plays a very important role in marketing. We refer to this as what we call the 7 Ps: product, place, price, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. We'll start off by talking about product. This represents the nature of the item provided by the business to the consumer. The business must consider packaging, labeling, and branding involved in marketing a physical product. They must then consider what level of product support services will be offered to the consumer. An example of products might be a Louis Vuitton. Place. Well, this means by which the product will be distributed at a time and location convenient to the consumer. Marketers might use place decisions by competition, visibility, accessibility, and high visibility. An example of place might be a tourism department. And then price. Well, this is the amount charged by the business for providing a product to the consumer. The key to determining prices is figuring out first how much consumers are willing to pay so that they are satisfied with the purchase and the seller achieves a reasonable profit. Price should be based on the values that the consumer perceives. So an example of this might be Louis Vuitton versus Steve Madden. Both of them are high quality, very trendy products, but placed at very different price levels. Louis Vuitton is a lot more expensive than a Steve Madden. And then promotion. Well, this is the efforts made by the business to retain and attract consumers by drawing attention to the product offerings. In the promote on stage, your message should be clear and geared towards your target audience. Tell them what they need, your product, and how it will benefit them. Think of where you will be able to reach your audience. Do they consume most of their media online or in traditional forms like newspaper and magazines? These are both examples of a promotion. You might see TVs, radios, magazines, or even on the internet. People. This is the behavior and attitude of staff who directly influence the level of customer satisfaction in business transactions. Develop the habit of thinking in terms of the people inside and outside of your business who are responsible for every element of your sales, marketing, strategies, and activities. These might be, an example of people might be customer service representatives or front desk clerks. These are all types of people. Process. This is the processes involved in a product's delivery will significantly affect the consumer's experience, level of satisfaction, and lifetime value to your business. This is very, very important. A company that is initiating the marketing process focuses the opportunities that would be beneficial in the long run success so that its performance would be effectively improved. They need to keep in mind the consumers, the competitors, general trends, and any change within the markets. This might be, a couple examples of this might be website user experience, delivery time, in-store wait time, aftercare, etc. And physical evidence. This applies to the store, office, and company websites where business transactions occur. Additionally, physical evidence refers to the packaging and design of the product itself. Ensure you reinforce the products and the seller's capability to the consumer. The product should exhibit the qualities that consumers expect. And then an example of this might be receipts or confirmation emails, PDF invoices. Thank you guys for listening to me talk about marketing today. I hope you took away 3 different things. I hope you took away what marketing is, how important marketing is, and how fun and creative a career field it can be. Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a great day.